Can you hear the drums burning down? I remember long ago when meadows every night like this, with the firelight burning down. You were hanging to yourself and softly strumming your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and sounds of bubbles were coming from the floor. You were closer now, Fernando. Every hour, every minute seemed to last eternally. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of love, and never was prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the words of Callan's almost made me cry. There was something in the air tonight. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining for you and me, calling the team, Fernando. Knowing now we thought that we could lose, there's no regret. You're wrong, Fernando. And since the medicine that I've been singing in your head, can you hear the drops, Fernando? They still recall the purple night you crossed their regret. I can see it in your eyes, how proud you were to fight for freedom in this land.